fam? Welcome back to my channel today. This is my first video of 2020 and I just want to say it feels so good to be back. I hope that you guys had an amazing, restful holiday season, but now it's time to get back on our grind, right? I asked my Instagram fam if they could basically help me pick the best of the best when it comes to drugstore. Whatever CVS had in stock based off of the best of list, I grabbed. Other things that weren't available, I just kind of used my own judgment and let you guys decide the rest. So let's do this, shall we? This is gonna be one of those videos where we're gonna literally see it unfold and see how it all turns out at the end of the video. Hold on, there is a hair in my eyeball. Whew. Ah. You know, you try to blow your own eye. So for my foundation, you guys chose the L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation. This is their Infallible Pro Matte. I just assumed that this was the shade. Let's hope and pray that we get it right. My sister-in-law, Brittany, decided to take Teeny to the library so that I could film this video. So shout out to you, Britt, for helping assist out. I've been a little slow getting back into the groove here on my channel. Is that a good shade? I think that'll work. So a lot of these products I have not tried. In fact, 99% of them, I've never tried them before. Now this foundation, I have used it before. I just remember really liking this one. So good choice, guys. I think my goal for this makeup tutorial too, guys, is just to really see what a difference my face is gonna look like at the end, having only used drugstore products. I think that there is this stereotype out there that says, oh my gosh, the more expensive or high quality your makeup products, the better you're gonna look. I think for me, I always really like to just stress the importance of like technique. So when it comes to like your beauty blender being damp, like that's gonna make such a difference in giving your skin still this glowy effect versus if you used it when it's really tiny and just like dry. So next up, we're gonna add the concealer. You guys chose the Fit Me Maybelline concealer. I decided to get it in the shade 20 Sand. That was all they had, along with a few darker tones. But I guess that's a good thing if it was like sold out. Chose for my translucent powder also Maybelline. This is their Shine Free Translucent Loose Powder. It controls oil and it kind of reminds me of my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. The only thing I hate about these is when they put these little stickers in there and it's like you can't, and then I always mess it up. And now I gotta really stab it. Okay, this is the light shade. It has a little bit of color to it, which I like. Use my beauty blender that's still slightly damp. Wow, look what that did there. That's not bad at all. For my highlighter, you guys chose the Milani. Make a C shape here. Wow, this is poppin'. Dang. Okay, Milani, I see you. It's a great shade for my skin tone. Ooh, yes, this is just as good as like the Tom Ford stick I've been using. For my bronzer, you guys chose the Rimmel. I said cream bronzer or I said powder bronzer. I was actually hoping you guys were gonna choose the cream one, but you chose the powder instead, and that's okay. I'm gonna use a really packed, dense brush. This is from E.L.F Cosmetics. Because I'm using a powder to contour, I definitely want it to show up. So the more dense your brush is, the more obviously you're gonna get a contoured look. This was shade Sun Bronze in 022. Let's see how this goes. Okay. It really, like I said, it's all about the brushes sometimes. And so if you're using the right brush, it can go a long way. I even dip a little bit of it for my nose area. Like I'm just going to kind of squeeze it to get it more accentuated, get it more like skinny and teeny. And I'm just going to use it to just kind of just define my nose a little bit. Have you guys seen those videos where it's like, man, you see somebody's like before and after they contour and you're just shook because it looks like they got a nose job? So crazy. I always get asked if I got a nose job. No, I swear, I have never had a nose job in my life. I always just had a teeny little nose. You guys see my daughter, that little nose? I had that nose when I was little too. And so it's definitely changes as you get older. I feel like my nose has definitely changed with age. But all right, moving on, guys, to my blush. Now that is something that you guys decided to keep cream. You guys chose the E.L.F This is the monochromatic multi-stick. Yeah, I've never tried this before. Sometimes when I've already created like a matte finish and then I do a cream blush over it, I kind of am a little taken back, like, Saz, why did you just mess up the ordering? But I think we'll be able to make it work. Yeah, it's actually really easy to glide on. Look, I'm surprised right now. Teeny's home. Okay, Teeny's back, guys, so let's hope that she doesn't hear me in here because she will invade. So for the brows, you guys also chose E.L.F's Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. If you've got wild, crazy brows like me, then you know we've got to have something on the other end to brush it. So I'm just going to fill in the gaps with this. I feel like you can really do no wrong with a dual-sided brow pencil. I just like that it's not like super creamy because that's what can cause smudging. And so this is more like a matte, cool brown. Not bad. For my eyeshadow, you guys decided to go warm versus cool. So for the warm palette, I just grabbed this Covergirl one that gives me a variety of colors. It's their chocolate scented. It's called the True Naked Chocoholic. I always go for warm tones. So to be honest with you guys, I was kind of hoping you guys were gonna pick the other palette just so that I would feel a little challenged. But hey, you guys can do no wrong. You guys always looking out for me and just making it easy. Thanks. These things are so hard to open. Why do they do this to us? Why? Patience, Sazan, patience. First of all, when it comes with these little things right here, no, those just do not work for anyone. I don't even think Teeny, she even throws them away. Like, I don't know why they include that in there. It's like, let's just save the environment and not even worry about that. It does smell like chocolate. Wow. I'm gonna just start out at my crease and just do a brown. And I'm actually just going to use it, I'm going to put it all around the eye. I'm going to use the shade next to it, this nude color, just to brighten up the center a little bit. This eye is the rebel of the two. This one always cooperates with me, so sweet. And then this one always needs just a little extra prayer. Eyeliner. You guys chose the Define A-Line 801 Ebony Black from Maybelline. You guys love Maybelline, I noticed that. It was between this and the Revlon one, and you guys chose Maybelline. And let's just see how it looks when I apply it to my upper waterline. Okay, not bad. I usually use the NARS Longwear, but I have been looking for something a little cheaper. And then I'm so glad this has an attached little sponge thing, because hello, I do not have any of my Define brushes with me. Wow, this is actually really good on the lower. Watch this. It just glides on. Nice. So for my mascara, you guys chose the L'Oreal Voluminous Extra Volume Collagen Mascara in the shade Black is Black. And I was just looking for something that was extra, extreme. And so it came down to this one and the Rimmel one, and you guys chose this one. I feel like this look really can use some lashes to just amplify it up, but that mascara was pretty voluminous. And then while that dries, I'll prepare the lashes. You guys decided for me to go with the Ardell Faux Mink. I think Ardell's wispies are just a classic favorite, so I don't blame you guys for choosing them. It's actually one of the only lashes I feel like I can actually put on myself. I'm very bad at lashes. Then you want to obviously grab the Duo, whatever really glue you prefer. It goes on white, but it dries clear. Definitely want to apply a very good amount to the base and to the corners. Wish they had like an eyelash, fake lash stand. Something where I could just stand it on while it's drying so I can prepare the other one instead of waiting. And then when I put it down on the table, that's when it usually starts to go downhill. So while that dries, I'm going to just move on to my lips. I chose two lip liners closest to MAC Spice, the one that I use every day. And you guys chose the 630 Nude from Revlon. That's good. Great choice, y'all. And then for my lipstick, you guys chose L'Oreal Paris. This is the shade Fairest Nude. And let's see it. Let's put it to the test. Not bad. I always get really nervous about the lip color because it can really make or break the look, but this one is really good. And because I did the lip liner so dramatic, I can even go over it a little bit to lighten it up. Ooh, I love this. Okay, here we go, guys. If I don't show it on camera, I'm sorry. I don't have my tweezers. Oh my God, y'all. I think I got it. The white is gonna fade away. I know that much. I'm just gonna go back over any weird lines with my Maybelline liner. Then I'm gonna go back over with my mascara to just really amp up the lashes. Wow, you guys, this was all you. You guys chose this look. You guys could do no wrong. Love how this turned out, and shout out to all these great drugstore brands who make it affordable and easy to feel like $1,000,000. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye guys.